Hello, this is my conics project. I chose to make a Joker playing card. I used all four conic formulas, such as a circle, ellipses, parabola, and hyperbola. We'll start out with the circle, which is permanent along all over the place. We'll be looking at the circle at the top of the hat. Since it's a circle, I did not need to restrict it at all. In this case, the formula is y minus 2.17 squared plus x minus 0.76 squared equals 0.03. This allowed me to have it the proper place, and I chose 0.03 because it allowed me to make a circle that did not have too large a radius but also not too small. Next, we'll look at the ellipses. These, the primary function in my picture, were the eyes. Again, being ellipses, I did not need to restrict them. I copied the formula from here and put it over here, but flipped it along the y-axis. The formula for this one was x minus 0.3 squared over 0.007 plus y minus 0.45 squared over 0.004 equals 1. Allowed me to have it between the eyebrow and the bottom of the eye. Next, we'll look at the parabola, which is permanent throughout the entire piece. For example, above the eye serving as the eyebrow. This piece is on this side and on this side. I flipped it over the y-axis much like I did the eyes. This I did have to restrict, and the restriction was negative 0.75 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to negative 0.04. The formula I used for this was negative 1.6 times x plus 0.53 squared plus 178. This allowed me to have it above the eye, not too high and not too low. Also, it was negative because it was facing downwards. Finally, we'll look at the hyperbolas. These are permanent in the hat despite not being obvious. They serve as this line and this line. This allowed me to make the edges of the hat that were sort of curved but also kind of like a straight line. You can see that I had to restrict the y variable in this equation so that it did not go over the hat and did not go into the face. The restriction was 2.26 is greater than or equal to y, which is greater than or equal to 0.898. The formula for this was x plus 0.001 squared over 0.09 minus y squared over 0.15 equals 1. So that is my conics project, and this is it in color.